Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install TradingView on your Mac. If you prefer using the TradingView desktop app instead of the browser version, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari or any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, type tradingview.com, then press enter. This will take you to the official TradingView website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click on More. From the drop-down menu, select Downloads, then click on Desktop Apps. You'll now be redirected to the official download page. Here, you'll see the option to download TradingView for macOS. Click on Download for macOS, and the installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the downloaded file. A new window will appear showing the TradingView icon and the Applications folder. To install the app, simply drag the TradingView icon into the Applications folder. That's it. TradingView is now installed on your Mac. You can close the window and move the installer file to the trash if you'd like. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and click on TradingView to launch the app. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. Now, sign in with your existing TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new account from the login screen. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TradingView on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.